All right, so I measured main number 1 on our crank with my micrometers. Set it up here in the vise. Set my dial bore gauge. Stick her in. All right, we are 3/1000ths to the big, right at the parting line. And at the vertical, we are also 3/1000ths to the big at the parting line, which is quite a bit. So, 3/1000 big. Hey, that kind of worked, Scott. Didn't go all the way up, but you know, there's pills for that. So, while Burnsy's banging on shit over there, so we're 3/1000 big bearing clearance. We're 3/1000 bearing clearance, main number 1. So we'll come back and do main number 2 next. All right, main number 2. About 2.5. So, and that's at the parting line. Straight up and down, it's about 2. On to the next one. Main number 3, 2.5 clearance. All the way around. On number 4. All right, so main number 4, we've got 3.5 clearance. That's a lot. All right, so main number 5, we are at like 3 3/4, almost 4/1000ths big. That's definitely got some wallowing going on for sure.